Yeah, it's a really cool, funky MIMISISTERS track. Kind of moving away from the rock band sound, slightly K-pop, but we'll forgive you that. It's cool and catchy. Really looking good. And making me hungry. 자연사하자 하자 우리 자연사하자 하자 우리 자연사하자. Lots of great memories on these old videos, I guess from YouTube. One of them's mine from the concert in Hongdae. Yeah, lots of great memories over the 10 years. Yeah, it's a really lovely song, really fun. And of course, yeah, it's fun, but it's got really important message. Let's die naturally. A lot of people, especially young people, under pressure, they feel their life is not worth living. This is a great song, great message. Let's go naturally. You don't know what's going to happen. 5 minutes later, you don't know what's going to happen. Where you're going to be 10 years from now, yeah. Lovely, really lovely song. 축하합니다, MIMISISTERS. 사랑해.